This is an alarm to all of you. Be alert. Be warned. I am advising you, in other words, I am advising you never to accept joining any recruitment of the army. Never be involved in the recruitment of the army that these people are planning. They plan to recruit our own youth.
Oluvannyuma lwa gavumenti okuvaayo n'erangirira nti eri mu kuwandiisa abo bannayuganda bonna abawulira nga balinamu ku maanyi basaba banga bawulira nti basobola okusaavinga mu magye g'eggwanga Uganda oba mu Uganda Police. Bavudde ne bagamba nti abawulira eryanyi nga mulyewulira mwewandiise bunnambiro mugende musaavinge mu poliisi y'eggwanga lya Uganda awamu ne mu magye aga UPDF. Bannayuganda bangi baasagambizza nga bakimezezza okwenjala nga bagamba nti oba oli awo tunaaba tufunye omukisa naffe okujoyininga ku magye g'eggwanga Uganda. Bannayuganda tubuukira nnyo ensonga ze tutamanyi. Abaasagambizza olw'okuyingira amagye nga mugamba nti eno ye kyansi yokka egenda okubayingiza nammwe ku magye mukwate ku mmundu, babadde bakyali awo ne baleeta amawulire agatiisa nti buli awulira ng'oyagala okujoyininga amagye, gwe awulira ng'oyagala okujoyininga poliisi mukadde kano mu recruitment ze baayise, gendayo ku lulwo, naye bw'oba ogenda genda ng'osiibudde. Akatambi kaakano mu bujjuvu nga sinnakakuteerayo sooka ojjukire nti tutambula ne Haji Settu omusomi w'edduwa yatutuusako pulogulaamu zaffe zino ennungi. Haji Settu omusomi w'edduwa bw'omukubirako mutegeeze ensonga gy'oyagala kuyambemu, abaagala okugendako ebweru, abanoonya emirimu nga gwe tonnagufuna, abaagala okwongezebwa emisaala, abaagala okukuzibwa ku mirimu gye mukolera, awamu nammwe ababonyaabonyezebwa endwadde ez'enjawulo. Haji Settu bakusomera busomezi ku dduwa ze ne zikusumulula. Essimu kw'omufunira eri 0703 31 39 25. Mukubireko mumubuulire ensonga yo tojja kwejjusa.
Fellow Ugandans, I am alerting you. I am alerting you, my people. This is an alarm to all of you. Be alert. Be warned. I am advising you, in other words, I am advising you never to accept joining any recruitment of the army. Never be involved in the recruitment of the army that these people are planning. They plan to recruit our own youth, our own innocent souls, innocent young youth of Uganda. Remember, these people have never been taking their own children on the war front. Museveni and his NRM men, Museveni and his army generals, they have not been taking their own people, their own children on the war front. But they want to take children of the poor majority Ugandans. They want to take the sons and daughters of the majority Ugandans, the poor majority Ugandans. Our sons, our brothers and sisters are supposed to be taken on the war fronts to the war fronts. You people, make sure you don't join any recruitment. They intend to recruit a new army. They want recruits. A new army will be recruited to be taken to fight in Congo, DRC. Remember, anything to do with the Congo war is not our war. The people who have been fighting the people of Congo are the Musevenis and the Kagames of Rwanda. Museveni and Kagame have been fighting Congo on behalf of England and America. Remember, these are puppets of the West. So they should not convince or confuse any of our youth to be recruited before they can be taken to go and die innocently in DRC Congo. Imagine, these people have not been taking their children, their own children, their tribe mates. They don't take their Bahima Tutsi tribe to go and fight in Congo. They create war for us, and they want us to go and die in the war they created. Yet these two men are fighting for America and England. The benefits goes to them, not to our parents. How many of our boys and girls have been taken to fight in Somalia without payment? If they are paid, then it is very little compared to the payment they give to their own Bahima and Tutsi. You people, we need to wake up, Ugandans. Ugandans as a whole, we need to wake up. There is no more recruiting of our innocent souls, innocent children, to be taken to go and fight in Congo, fighting a war for the Americans, war for the UK, England government. Museveni's war, Kagame's war, for their benefits. No. They are enriching their Rwanda brothers and sisters with the blood of our own brothers and sisters of Uganda. Our children don't go for this recruitment. Don't. Let us see whether they will force our people, they will arrest our people and do what. Don't go for that recruitment. These people, they don't take their own children to the war fronts. They take our children, and sometimes they even shoot us from behind because they want to finish us there on the war fronts while they replace us in our land. People of northern Uganda, be warned. These people are recruiting our children. Very soon they are coming to do mass recruitment in Achuli land, in West Nile, Lugwara Madi land, in Karamoja, in Lao, in Aluru, in Buganda, in Bukedia, Rwenziruru, everywhere, Budaka Palisa, Busia, Iganga, Dinda. These people are coming to recruit our own blood, our own children, our innocent souls, taking them to the war fronts, while they keep their own blood, their own brothers, their sisters, their Rwandese, Tutsi, Bahima tribe mates. They keep them in the office. They are the permanent secretaries, they are the guild presidents, they are the vice chancellors, they are everything. You see, they control all the lucrative whatever. They control all the juicy jobs, positions, big positions is them in the government. Even abroad, they send their people as ambassadors, what abroad, while they take our own to go and die on innocent.
No, nkakasa nti buli munnayuganda obitegedde. Tulina okubeera abeegendereza bwe tuwulira ebintu ebimu ne tutemanga kusanyuukirira kuyingira kintu kye tutamanyi kitutwalawa. Bayingiza abantu bano naye nga baagala abaana abagenda okubalwanira entalo zaabwe ez'omu mawanga ag'ebweru ezitatukwata nako. Abaana b'Abannayuganda bangi bafiiridde mu ntalo z'e Congo, Somalia, naye ng'ekibassa kiki? Tewali nsonga. Bo balina ebyobugagga bye balwanirira okuggyayo ne bateekayo abaana baffe be bakubwa amasasi be bafa. Bwe balaba nti amagye gakendedde ne bagala kuteekayo baana baabwe ne bayita balikuruti ng'amagye amapya. Bwe mugenda ne mwewandiisa muba mugenze ku lwammwe. Bagenda batwala kulwanira bintu bitabagasa eby'e Congo. Bwe muvaayo nga mugenda okwewandiisa mu magye ago mugende nga musiibudde kubanga mukitegeere tewali kudda.
To go and fight in Congo, fighting a war for the Americans, war for the UK, England government. Museveni's war, Kagame's war, for their benefits. No. They are enriching their Rwanda brothers and sisters with the blood of our own brothers and sisters.